Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a theme in Tor Browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you have installed a custom theme and want to switch back to the default look, you can easily remove it from the add-ons section. So let's get started. First open Tor Browser, then click on the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings in the drop down menu. Under Tor Settings, select Extensions and Themes in the left sidebar. Again, click on the Themes in the left sidebar. Here you will see the installed theme. Click on the triple dot menu beside theme you want to remove, and in the pop-up menu, click on the Remove. Click on the Remove button to remove that particular theme from your Tor browser. From here, you can also enable default themes such as dark, light, or system theme. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.